All right, good morning. We're going to work on lesson 4. Explain the new part there. Page 16, lesson 4. The first one here, this is the problem. We're trying to learn how to find the commission. Commission would be a good example of a job that often works off commission would be a barn salesman. So if you think of a storage shed place, Fisher's, Liberty, they're all over the place. They often would pay their salesmen a commission on a sale. So if the salesman, if you go to the lot to buy a barn and a salesman comes out and talks to you, they would maybe make a commission off of the sale. So if you buy a barn from them, you get that salesman gets a commission from selling the barn to you. So just for an example of what we're talking about here, which means a commission is a percentage of the money made by the company. So in this situation, 7% commission on a sales of $6,352. So if you just imagine that you went and bought a barn, a storage shed for $6,352, the salesman that sold you the barn, he did all the dealings with you and all that stuff, he's going to get a 7% commission. So how do we know how much that is? Well, very simple. All we have to do is get rid of the percent, which we did yesterday. So we're going to go 6,352. Remember decimal, move it over 2 places. So we're going to go 0.07 times. Okay? And I could work it out, but I'll just write the answer in. 4, 4, 4, 6, 4. All right. So $444.64 is 7% of 6,352. So if you were a barn salesman and you sold a barn for this much, this would be your pay. You would receive $444.64 for the sale of that barn. So that's how you do those. On the next page, it adds a little bit of a step here. So it says a salesperson receives a weekly salary of $300. So what that would mean is the barn salesman, each week he gets a base amount. In this case, it's $300. That means just for showing up, he's getting $300. That way, if sales are down, maybe he doesn't make as much money. This is a way to kind of compensate that and make sure he always makes at least a little bit. So in this particular situation, the guy's making $300 a week. So I'm going to write 300 per week. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Now, he also makes 6% commission. So in this situation, in this particular situation, the sales is $2,730. Okay, and he makes 6% commission on that. So he would do just like we did last time. He's making 6% commission. We're getting rid of the percent. So we're going to go 0.06. All right. That's going to give us $163.80. So he made $163.80 on his sale here. So he gets this, plus at the end of the week he's also going to get this. So what we would do is just add that 300, 0, 0, and that's going to give us 0.8364. So his total profit that he would receive in a check would be this right here, for 1 week if he had $2,730 sales for that week. All right, does that make sense? Let me know.